Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try something. We're fishing Los Vaqueros. This is the fall 2020, and I saw a striper bass boil. So there must be a lot of them out there, maybe about 100 yards from here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw out 2 poles with fresh anchovy and see what happens. So I'm trying to get this live action with no editing. Hopefully we can get something really quick. So I got 2 poles, I'm gonna cast them out. I got fresh anchovies on there, and let's see what happens. I'm gonna throw both poles out there, and hopefully we get a quick bite. So no editing, and we're hoping for something quick. All right, let's see. Pole number 1. Pole number 2. So hopefully they can smell this real quick and attack it. Striped bass got really good smell, so. And of course you can tell it's windy, we're kind of rocking, so. Let me get this ready. Drag on here. Alright, this pole. Get this one ready. Okay, so we got both poles out there, so we're into 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's hope we can get something in less than 2 minutes. Striper's got a really good sense of smell. We got some fresh anchovy out there. You just see me throw it out there. No editing. Let's hope we can get a quick response. That'd be really nice. And you can tell it's windy. We got a lot of action going on right now, so would be nice to get a quick response here. Let's see what happens. I think we just got a hit over here. This one just got a hit over here. Okay, so we're getting a hit on this one. That was pretty quick, huh? Pretty quick response. See if we can take off, but he did pull the drag, and let's hope it takes off. So obviously they are here. Videos in almost 4 minutes. We did get an instant bite, so that was pretty good. Here we go. Got another pull there. There's 2 bites on this one. We'll see if he takes it. Ah, we got it. There we go. Ho, ho, ho. Instant. No editing. Check it out. No editing. That is so cool. Live action from beginning to end. Hungry fish. Ooh. Yeah, when they're boiling, they're feeding on something. Good drag puller, good drag puller. Oh, there we go. All right, I like that. Anticipation. Ooh, it's a nice one. All right. Oh. Ooh. You witnessed it from beginning to end. No editing. Live action. And it's a nice one. Ooh. Nice striper. Oh, wow. Nice striper. Heavy. Ooh. Oh, no. Oh. That's a nice striper. Oh, that's a fatty. That is a fatty. That's a fatty. There we go. No editing. No baloney. Right here. Beautiful stripe. Look at that. And obviously you can tell how big it is, so we know that it's a keeper. There we go. Look at that. Super nice. All right, from beginning to end. You saw the drag running, and we caught him and we landed him, and it was a great fighter, and you can see that it's a keeper striper. Look at that. Big head. Man, there must be a serious amount of stripers out there with that crazy boil that just happened. Let's go ahead and measure them out. Very long, very healthy, very fat. $22. Look at that dorsal. There you go. Be careful for the dorsal. I already got stabbed twice today. 22-inch striper. Is that a beauty or what? From beginning to end, no editing. So far it's a 7-minute video. I'm gonna cut it at 8. There we go. Woohoo! Los Vaqueros, fishing the fall, 2020. I'm gonna keep fishing, see what else we get. But for now, we just caught a beautiful 22-inch striper from beginning to end. No editing, live, from bait to finish. Woohoo! All right. Okay, I'm gonna keep fishing, see what else we get. But for now, there we go. Bam, till later. Woohoo!